another video. This one has more time on it, so. I like that sound.
Oh, it's going to stop popping. Point away from you.
And these are the kind of sparklers you hold. There's a bunch of ashes going on the ground and everything. But can we do the big fireworks?
Yep.
I want to do the rocket.
Whoa, careful. Jeez.
Big firework or not?
Yeah, why can you do that?
Okay, Rick, big firework time.
I'll hold those with.
Right, point away from you. Right, point away from you. All right. Here comes the heavy artillery.
Okay, guys, I'm going to pause this video until we have it. Okay, guys, so we have the fireworks right now. We are ready to light the pepper popper thing. Jalapeno popper. Okay, so. Should I pause it again? Yeah. Alright, guys, we are lighting this right now. Woo! Whoa. Wow, those poppers are really good. Alright, guys, we're back with the fireworks. And Rick better hurry up. There's two of them now. See, there's one right there and one right there. Awesome.
Awesome.
Another one. I'm very close to them. A little too close for comfort. No bugs. Another one again. Oh my god, I wish you guys were here in person. It looks so cool. So much light. Whoa.
Ooh, ah.
Ooh-ah. I will try to record as much as I can at Great Wolf Lodge. It's wet there, and my camera's not waterproof, so I might not be filming all the water scenes. So leave a like on this video as well as all my other videos. Subscribe if you haven't already, and Polar Party's out.